Hello, yeah, good morning. Taking you on lights, how to get our light on ArchiCAD. Yo, let's go, let's go there. We will also be going through our linear lights. Linear lights, you have to model it yourself. So I've not seen where you can import it to. But for now, let's go on with the model and also just the normal light. Let's go on. You go to, let me see if we have anything in objects. Have any of them in objects? I don't think we have any in objects. Couplers. So we don't have any here, so we remove it and we go to our lights. We go directly to our lights. This is our lamp too. So you click on it. You, you come down to this drop down, you can see some features of light. We have general light, interior, lamp, street, recess, source. But this is what I use as my pop ceiling light. But let's go directly. Just remove this, go directly. When you have gone direct, you can see the general light. Look at the general light. This thing is used, let me say, it is used to emit light in your rendering. When you want to render, sometimes it may not really show the sign, but we still learn how to use it. We still learn how to use it because you just use it to emit light. Like this spotlight now. I think when you click on it, you face a particular place, you check the lights, you click the light and take it to a particular bulb, place it there so it can emit this spotlight. Then this sunlight too. Through your window, you can just fix it on your window so it can bring up this light. And right, this is so it just used to emit light. Then when you come to this interior lamp, you can see different type of interior lamp here. You can see different type. We have so many type. Okay, like this now, as you have this is not the only type. If you just click on it, you can see other type. You can see it. And you can also change the shape. When you click on it, you can reduce the shape, you can change the shape, you can increase the shape. It just depends on what you want. This is also fine. So it doesn't have different type, just one type. This also, I think the only one that have different type is this. But let's go through there. This it doesn't also have. This doesn't also have. This doesn't also have. This also. So I think we have others too. So with these two, let's click here. Click here. Click here. Okay. I know there are some that also have different types. You can see this one. You can also change this spotlight sign. You can change the spotlight sign to whichever one you want. There are so many here. You can also change this too. You can select this and change. So there are so many too here. So it depends on what you want. So you just go to, you can also import different type. You can also import. So with this, you can see this. You can see different type. Different type. This is wall lamp. So you can see different type of wall lamp. So when you click here, you can just choose from here. Choose the one you want. Yeah. Light density and the rest. So it goes to this. This the same thing. And let's also change the lab. Yeah. And that's it. So let's move on to this. Let's use this. This. When you click on this, it's okay. I know you go to your floor plan. I know I've placed this here, somewhere here. I placed it here. So what we do is to delete this. Let's delete this and go back to our lights and paste something here. We'll paste something here. We'll go to 3D to see what we have pasted. Look at what we have pasted. Look at what we have pasted. So this is what we have pasted. Okay, let's go to our just increase or reduce. You go here. Go here. Increase it to 8. That's okay. That's okay. Then you go to 3D. Let's see what you have done. Is it? So let's take it to our roof. Let's take it to our ceiling. Let's take it to our ceiling. Well, let's click to the ceiling and see the height of the ceiling. Click the ceiling. Let's see the height of the ceiling. 7,350. 7,350. This is you can see this, you can increase it. With this now, you can increase it if you want to increase it. Just click here. Stretch height. Then you either increase it or you reduce it. You can reduce it. You can also increase the size by so this is the light. You can see absolute light density. Then you set your light density here. Visible light, transparent, dense, and the rest. Yeah, you can put this, but why we use somehow shadow first. Color is okay. Then density 100. It's okay. And you can rotate around this. You go to this, maybe that's 6. As you can see, it is not, you can see the shape. The shape is not really round. It's not smooth, but you can go here and make it. Let's see what it can be. Let's say 36. 36. See, you have changed the shape. So this transparent. Let's see. You can say it's sharing this one, but we don't need it, so just remove it. Remove it. It's okay. Hmm. Let's remove this color. Okay, let's just go here. General. These lights. Pentago. Let's leave it this pentago. This white. We need to remove this color. So this is it. So when we want to render, We are going to try to make it to a moon light. But right now, you just have to fix it all over the roof. Just, just the way it is. So, mm, mm, 45. I think like this is okay. Let's make it 47. Like this is okay. So when it's time to, so you go to your, you just copy it. You can distance it equally. But I'm just random placing it. So I want to show you other lights. You can distance it if you want to equally. I don't think there's need for that in this lecture. It will take our time. So So how to create leader, how to get our linear light. So let's do it the way we did this ceiling. We just go to, let's say we go to, so you can also increase this. You see, if you click here, you just increase it the way you want. If you want it to be more bigger, you can also increase it. But let's leave it the way it is. And talking about our linear light, that is the strip light or the linear light. Some people call it linear light. I don't know what to call it. So that we need to model it. We can also import it too when we see it. But I have not seen anyone to import. So and we don't have it in our light here. I think the best is to model. So we are going to model it the same way we did our ceiling design, same way we did this for the ceiling design. And we are going to do that. So the simple way to model that is just we go to our Morphe tool. If it's a complex model, we have to draw it with our line first. But this, we are going to make it easy. So we just go to our Morphe tool. So okay, we draw circle. Let's leave it this way. So okay. Or it is too big, you just delete it. Delete this. Delete it. I think it is too big. Delete it. Go to our Morphe. Two hundred or 150. Let's make it 150. 150. It's okay. So we draw the circle. So I've gotten it. So you escape. So you highlight it. Copy it. Copy. You go to option. Profile. Complex profile. You go to profile management. And you say copy. You say add and this is, you say ceiling lunar lights. You say okay. So I've said okay. You paste it. Center of the correct view. Yes, okay, paste. Now paste it. Remove it. When you move it here at the center, you should say you have saved your profile. That is, you have saved to your profile. Shall wall, okay. Ceiling lights. Ceiling light, okay. So okay. You remove this. And if you want to draw your linear light, just go to wall. When you click to wall, you go here. Instead of this, you go to this place. And you go here. You select this is the one we use. Select this linear lights. Say okay. Now that you can change the color. You draw that line. Linear lights. So you go to your 3D and you see your linear lights. So this is our linear lights. I think it is too big. Let's see if we can reduce it. Length. It's only the length you can reduce. So this is our linear light. So let's leave it this way. Let's leave it this way. If you still want to edit it anyway, you can go to still that option. Go to complex, profile, and you say you click to that linear light. You click to it and you say edit. When you come to edit, it is it. Move it. You drag it. And you say save. See, you have made it smaller. So these are linear lights. So we click on it and edit it. You make it more realistic. Mm, yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so this is our linear lights. You can make it square. You just decide to make this circle. So you can. You have gotten your linear light. What you do is to go to your story building, um, the roof, to the ground floor. Let's go here. Click on this. You copy this. Just copy and drag. Bring it here. Copy and drag, bring it here. We have gotten another ceiling. So what we do is we want to reduce this ceiling and also open a path. So we click here. We go here. Yeah. Offset edge. Uh, subtract. Say subtract. You go here and you just draw it and open it. You can, when you open it, you can use your measurement and get it right. So let's Take it a little bit down. 360. Let's make it 573.5. 70. Let's okay. Then we'll move it. Drag it. Oh, because of 357. 356. Because of the linear lights. 40. 40. 3540. So, guys, as we were doing, as we were planning, we have learned how to get our lights and our linear light, but just like we did, I think the linear light is we use the wall, then we have the ceiling light, linear lights, So this ceiling wall linear light, we find a way. I think we are putting it here. We use it and we attach it here. You can't highlight this. So let's still go back here. So assume we just have our light. So okay, let's go to ground floor. Yeah, this is it. So let's go and see what we did, how we got our linear light. Or let's take this side and do it here. So to use it, you go here and you copy this. Copy this and drag a copy. Just drag a copy. Just drag a copy out. You drag one copy out. So we are getting the ceiling. So we get this ceiling. Let's see the ceiling and see the height. Look at the height. This is starting. The height is straighter. So we are reducing this. So we reduce it with we make it 3570 or 3560. Let's make it 3540. 3540. So you click here, you make this 3540. 40. You get it. Then let's leave this ceiling. Three, 3540. Okay. Let's delete this. You delete this. So I want to get a new ceiling. Let me go to ceiling.
Let me go select 3540. 3540. So this is where we are. So let's design something unique. Let's use our line tool. There's something unique. So let's go select. Hmm. Drag and copy. That action is here. Then say okay. You say okay. Go to our 3D and see what we have done. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So we go to okay. So we just go to ground floor. Let's see we cannot get it that way. So let's go. We get this. We use this. Use this. So it's always advisable to get this before you start your ground floor. Get your ceiling in ArchiCAD before you get your first floor. So you just go to work. You go to work. We now go to ground floor. So you have seen this ceiling here. So you just draw your linear lines on top of the ceiling. After drawing it, then we can adjust it. So that is the only way. Then you go to 3D and see what you have done. So this is what you have done. We have gotten our linear light. So it's not advisable anyway to render in ArchiCAD. When you render in ArchiCAD, it doesn't show you the realistic rendering of your building. And it's very difficult to render. It's hard to render. And then the process is very difficult. So to be of waste after wasting your time and everything setting, and you can still not get it to be realistic, to be able to present your drawing to a client. So we always advise to export your drawing, everything you have done after doing it, to other rendering software like Lumia and other 2D rendering software that can allow ArchiCAD and render there. So we have gotten our linear lights where we transfer this to other rendering software. We can use this to emit light. So we will still place our lights the way it was. We place our light the way we placed it. So that we have learned already. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did today. See you next time.